Today our recipe is fish cutlet. For this recipe we need 300 grams of boiled potatoes, 250 grams of tin fish, 2 eggs, 100 grams of breadcrumbs, 2 green chilies, 100 grams of onions, curry leaves, salt to taste, half teaspoon of pepper powder, lime to taste and oil for deep frying. First of all, we need to mash boiled potatoes very well. Then do same to tin fish as well. Now cut green chilies, onions and curry leaves. In a pan, fry these things a bit. Add salt and pepper as per your taste. Then add tin fish. Add some lime to taste and mix well. Finally, add mashed potatoes and mix thoroughly to combine all ingredients. Now our cutlet mixture is ready. Get this out of fire and let it cool down. Once this mixture cools down to the level that you can touch, make small balls like this. From this we can make around 20 to 25 medium-sized cutlet balls. Beat eggs and then dip cutlet balls in beaten egg. After that, roll them on breadcrumbs. Do same to all cutlet balls. Finally, fry these cutlets until they become golden brown. Hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Visit my dailylife.lk site to get more delicious recipes. Subscribe my channel to get more videos and don't forget to press the bell icon.